Huy! Pikapoy ko! Oh my god. Anyway, hi! It's me again! So, this is another episode of Diary as a Pastry Kid. Pero, if dili ka maminaw, okay ra sad. It's just for me. Honestly, it's just for me. But anyway, we have a lot of pastries today. I want to show you. God, this is like diabetes. Look at that. Puno! Kaayo siya! As in. And since I can't close it, if I close it, madaot man siya. So, my plan is, I will eat some of it first. Kaning mga petit fours lang. Kanon ako. And then, the tarts is, I'll show you guys sa house na lang. So, I'm actually really tired and dehydrated. But it's okay. Then I also kind of wanna talk about like the expectations and reality of studying in the pastry academy. I don't know, this is probably for those people who are considering and joining. So yeah, mauna siya. But anyway, let's start with this one. I'm not sure what you call this, but the base we only made the base actually. This is the Breton. It's some sort of like pie dough, pero lahi siyang ratio sa inyang ingredients. But we didn't make this. Si chef ang nag-make ani, igor na siya nag-demo, and then iya ra nigi-top og whipped ganache, strawberries and cream, and of course pistachio. So let's try this. Cheers. It's actually good. This is ang taste on it is pretty straightforward. It's just Breton, cream, strawberry, pistachio on top. Looks fancy, but it's pretty basic. So okay lang. I think if you're craving for like a dessert, this is a good dessert, especially if dili kay siya tamis. So this is very good. Ako siya ibalhin sa akong tabon. I'm wearing my chef uniform today, kaya I only use this like once for the whole week. The same kuan, then labhan ako. Yeah, gamito na sad nako for the next week kay di ko ganahan mo use sa other two. You know, sayang, like souvenir lang ba. So I'm trying to stay as clean as possible, and since it's the end of the week, pwede na ako magpapagaw. But hopefully no. Anyway, this is a hindi ko sure. This is pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie. It smells like pumpkin. Have I tried pumpkin pie ba before? So this will be the first time. Cheers! Oh, lamay lagi siya. Wow. I like this. This is so good for the holidays. Like, dili kay siya kanang ma-taste yun mo ang cinnamon, ang other spices. Pero, kanano gani siyang na-hint. So, if like, nakasway ka o kanang pumpkin spice latte, it's similar to that. Kami siya. Oh my god. I'm in love. Lamig dyan siya. Lamig dyan siya. Hands down, lamig dyan siya. Definitely, I'm making this one. Definitely, I'm making this one for the holidays. Sa LK Bakery. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know. I'm so sorry. I'm fangirling lang. Kaya marag lamig kayo siya. Then, Nami, this one. This is a lemon. This is like a lemon pound cake. It looks pretty dense, tanawa. Looks pretty dense. Yeah, bugnaw sad siya. So, I don't know what to expect. Kaya di man ka fan of pound cakes should kay for the reason because it's dense. Di ko ganahan magsikaw ng cake, magsige ko ng tubig, lain kay siya for me. I don't know. Anyway, cheers. Whoa. Uy! What the heck? It's not dry! Why? What the heck? Lamig dyan siya. I already know the lemon cream is good kaya we placed it in the macarons we made kanina. For this one, lamig lagi ni. What the heck? Damn. You know what? It's so good. I can't. I still have a lot more to go. Okay, so we will try this one. So this is just like a blueberry tart. We didn't make this. We only made the pie dough. I mean the patsukri, sweet dough. And then sila na ang nagbutang sa mga crumbles, sa mga blueberries. So I don't know sad, basin like I think kabawsad sila na overloaded mi sad na-overload sad mi sa pies and tarts today this week. So gigamay ra nila ni. But anyway, same concept naman ni siya sa other pie sa other tarts that we made. So mo na siya nga murag redundant na tingali kaayo. So mo ni siya. Kami naghimo sa filling, sa crumble, sa pie dough, pero pag assemble ani sila chef na. Anyway, cheers. Di ko fan. Lain man. Di ko gana. Maybe because they use fresh blueberries. Di pa rin sa kanang blueberry compote makita na to sa Metro ba. Lamit man to kani kay murag. Wala na anad akong taste buds sa mahalon nga blueberries. I don't know. But di kay ko fan of this one. Then this one, this is Basque, like you know, like Basque burnt cheesecake. But this is not cheesecake. This is just Basque that originated in the location Basque. So I don't know what to expect. This is my first time trying this. So cheers. Mura siya. I'm so sorry for my face. Di man siya kanang dili lami. It's so like tangy ang flavor nga murag mulinger siya sa imuhang dila. I don't like that. Di ko ganahan nga murag. Until now the taste is still there. So di kay ko fan, pero it's good to know. Taste everything, right? But anyway, di ko fan ato. And then, as I mentioned in my previous video, we made the financier. This is the financier. It has soft caramel in the middle and supposedly there's a pecan there, pero wala nila gibutangan. Anyway, cheers. This one is it's pretty dry. The financier itself. That's why na-siya soft caramel to like moisten it a bit. Perfect combo. Di pa jud kay siya tamis. If you don't know what financier is basically a sponge nga nagamit sila og almond flour. So, mo na siya. This one. Unsa gani ni? Oh, yeah. This is the chocolate pound cake. Amat lang, mura man siya kanang gahiun man siya. So, you know, let's just try it. Cheers! Medyo dry na siya. Di kay ko fan, pero lami ang chocolate nga among gigamit. So, mataste na ko ang chocolate. Lami ang chocolate. Pero I don't like how dry it is lang. Di ko fan og mga dry pastries. Kaya, maulagin na. Di ko ganahan masig. Inom tubig. I don't like that. The milk chocolate with ganache is very good though. Very good. Next! This is unsa man idong banana bread. So fun fact lang, I'm not the best person to judge a banana bread because I don't like banana bread. So, pero either way, I still have to taste it. Na. I don't know why, ha? Did you cook fan dyan of banana bread, carrot cake, or whatsoever? I don't know why. Maybe did you ko healthy nga person. But anyway, cheers. No. What tissue? You know what? I'll just swallow it. Fine. I'll just swallow it. Excuse me. Ah! I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like sad nga. It's so dry. Like, nakatry mo ko banana cake nga kanang moist. Ang banana cake sa Pig n Pa moist man to. Surprisingly, lami ansad ko ato. No. This is a big no-no for me. Di ko ganahan. Di ko ganahan. Hala. Is this the same? It's not. Actually, this is not banana bread. I actually don't remember what this is. This is banana bread. This one. Sorry, wrong information. But this one is kanang moist, oh. I mean, kanang bouncy. So I'm assuming it's moist. I think this is the spiced pound cake. I don't know. I don't remember making a spiced pound cake, but it smells like pang holiday gyapon siya. I thought that was the banana bread. Dili di ay. Lahi di ay. Mas it smells sweeter, this one. Kani it smells like daghan spices. So real banana bread, real. Cheers. I mean, it's not as bad as the other one. It's not as bad as this one. Pero I think this is a good banana bread. I'm not a fan of it. Ayun. Welcome to my humble home. And mag-continue na ta sa akong what I think of all these pastries. Anyway, no, except the macarons di ay. Macarons will be a separate video. Saan is sugar? Macarons will be a separate video kaya dili pa ni siya ready. Ano sa lang basta. It gets really technical. Let's start with the fruit tart. Medyo na dry out na ni siya kay ganina pa ni morning among gimake niya. Ako ra siya gibutang sa ako ang table, dapit sa akong side kay kanang I wanted to take a photo of it paman niya. We cannot use our phones inside the class. I mean inside the kitchen, we cannot use our phones until every Friday, ra. So, I took a lot of really nice videos and photos. It will be 1, 2, 3. Welcome back. I hope you liked our creations for the week. It was more of pies and tarts, and I think ang wala ready to is patashu, which is cream puff or profiteroles or whatever you want to call it. Kay amo na to gikaon, we did that on the second day. Mora sa to mong nahimo atong nga day because dili siya pareha sa other nga pastry schools nga daghan kay siya recipes ihimo. Kani is more of theory, more technical siya, more of what's the purpose of this ingredient to this ingredient, and it's really simplified. So mo na siya nasad ko na learn, even though repetitive ra akong na learn, like pareha ra silang module sa Ice Cam, pareha silang module basically, pero mas simplified siya here kaysa Ice Cam. Ang Ice Cam is more daghan siyang information pero dili niya ma-cover everything. Pero here is like naa siya certain information and we go deeper. So yeah, it's complicated in its own way. So mo na siya. So let's cut this one. Would I recommend Pastry Academy? Kung 1 week ako ani sa akong first week, I would say yes, but there are things that you need to know that I want to talk to you guys about later after this. So there you go. Wow. This is pistachio, and then diplomat cream, and then fruits. Cheers. Yummy. I really like it. You know what surprised me also? The raspberries they have, it's so good. We all know nga, aslum kaayo si raspberry, which I really don't like. Kay, sakit kay siya sa, diba, sa jaw dapit. Pero kani, medyo tamis siya, medyo kuan. So, same thing, ang kaning raspberries, kay parehag yapon siya, basura lang yapon ni Chef Amaury sa ihang TikToks or whatsoever. So, among gigamit sa class, kay, ang ilahang ginagamit is, medyo daghan jud siya. Like, mga, let's say, 2 cases of like these raspberries. So, magbugdo jud kayo siya nga sa katri. Anyway, moving on to our chocolate tart. It's so nice. Ang gunitan. Looks like this. It's so velvety. I felt so proud of this kay amo ra ba jud ni spray, like you know Chef Amaury in his videos na yeah, we sprayed this. Anyway, sorry, I sometimes get too excited. Anyway, you should try this. I don't know what to expect, pero we'll see. Chocolate. Duh. Chika lang, pero nagpa-picture ang whole group. Nay also nagpa-picture whole group. And I was like, wait. Can I be real? And they were like, huh? Only one person was like, I know what you mean, girl. And I'm like, yeah, it's a Gen Z thing. Yeah, I am not proud, but yes, I am Gen Z. I have fully accepted it. So now I'm just gonna deal with it. Now you have to deal with it. But if you don't want to deal with it, it's okay. You don't have to watch this video. It's fine. It's for me anyway. Anyway. Wow. Wow. Look at that. So nice. Crunchy base. Chocolate curd and patsukre at the top. This is with ganache. Cheers. By far, this is my favorite tart. It keeps rolling around. What the heck? Can you stop? Anyway, if you're considering joining the Pastry Academy, one thing you should know about, the one you see on TikToks is most of the time accurate. Okay? Most of the time. Not all is accurate. Okay? Dili kami tanan ang naghimo sa stuff. Usually, ang among himuon per day is like 2 things. Max tingala is 4. Based on this week lang. On week 1. I don't know pa with others, but based on week 1, we only made like 4 things in 1 day. 2 things, 1 thing in 1 day, and then katong gihimo na mo from yesterday, mo na sa namong continuation today. So it's more of kanang naghimot mi today pero di na mo mada home. Muna like katong yesterday duha ra ka buok, the other day duha ra ka buok, like inana ra siya ka gamay ba. Di pareha sa ice cam nga you make like if you have like 8 stations, you got 8 kinds of pastries nga madani mo take home per day. Pero like mayon ka like kanang cake, 1 slice of cake lang ana. Amo adiri is like a whole tart. Unless like redundant na ang process, so mao na sila nga kato i-share na lang, or if we have extra kay himuan nila something ila sa ihatag na mo para kaon. Ang kanaka-nice ana kay the speed, the things you learn depends on how fast you can learn. Ang pasabot na ko ana is like, for example, sa among batch, pas-pas kay may makakuha sa kuan like piping skills, it's good na. Paghimo na mo, it's good na. Kana, if pas-pas mi, mas nami more time nga maka-learn. So, ang katong more free time that we have, chef is gonna like slowly add recipes nga wala sa among recipe book. So, for this week lang alone, we got about 15 to 18 new recipes nga wala siya sa book. So like, yeah, some of it is redundant, like different flavors of macaron, pero ang himo ni chef is like, ang kaning filling contains butter in it. This one contains gelatin. Unsay difference? Pero dili siya buttercream. Something like that. Yeah, murag daghan sa kag ma-learn kay kanang ang nakanindot man gud diri sa Pastry Academy is like, 'di ba, kuti man kay ng Americans are very kuti. Kuti jud sila. Pero ang nakanindot ana is chef can give us substitutions. For example, okay, ang kaning recipe, we use alcohol. Yeah. Problema, for example, this person can't do alcohol. So, what do? Like, chef gives us a substitution for that. Like, unsay pwede na mo masab, unsay na mo pwede masab. Like, oh, I want this less sweet. What can we do? You can't lessen the sugar because mo change man ang consistency, mo change man ang texture. So, ang mahimo ana is i-substitute lain nga sugar or something like that. So, muna nakanindot diri I really learned a lot of like tips and stuff. Like, yeah, gamay kag pastries madauli, pero kung dili ka diri, like let's say ako ra usa rin ako. Akong roommate na siya like 5 ka tart sa na siya 4 ka tart sa chili. Unsa pa man niya. So malabay ra siya. I would rather have like small recipes, but then we dig deeper on what the function is. So muna akong ganahan here. And then this course is, I guess it's targeted for home bakers. So, medyo idiot-proof siya. So, it's super dumbed down, but at the same time, it's super informational. I don't know if that's the term. Pero, yeah, it's super dumbed down. It's almost palpak-proof. Almost. Di gyapon kakasulti kay depende ra gyapon na sa ta. For all you know, like they will find new ways to fuck it up or something. I don't know. Monay na notice nako sa week 1. So, am I excited for week 2? Yes, I'm very excited for week 2 and what's next to come, because I really love learning about pastry. And then, wala lang. So, now let's talk about the con. One of the cons is sometimes, if mag-demo si chef, maghimo na siya daan sa product. So, for example, ang katong blueberry crumble something, kay siya ra naghimuan na wala mikita. Nya, mosulti ra siya like, oh, guys, while nagkuan mo, kay mao ni akong gihimo, same process lang. Like, iya rin gina-explain ba, wala mi niya gipakita. Pero naa sa bidemo, nasa kami, nani. Pero na-enjoy times ka mayon na mo, ana siya. Pareha tong Breton, kay medyo wadyo mikita ato. Naghimuhimo ra siya dito sa kilid. Siya og ang ihang mga little minions kay naghimuhimo ra siya dito sa kilid niya. Wala kanang like, how did you do that? Like, if ako wala ko experience nga inana, it's like how do you do that? Like, I don't know. Like, tanaw na ko okay inani siya, but how do I achieve that? I don't know. If I was a homemaker. But anyway, one of the downsides. The other downside is kamoy manglimpyo tanan. Like when I say tanan, I mean tanan. We take out the trash, we replace the trash bag, we wash our own dishes. Icecam doesn't let you wash dishes. That's what I love about Icecam. I hate washing dishes. Pero we wash our own dishes here. Kami ang manarapo sa chillers, freezers, glass doors, mga stainless steel, whatsoever. Everyday na siya. Kami, naami spray nga murag anti-rust nga stainless steel. So, tanan stainless nga makita nimo sa kitchen, amo nang amo na trapuhan. So, mo na siya ang mga chillers, freezers, glass door, the stainless handle sa glass door. Lababo, the sink, we also have to do that. The table, sa kanang murag sa side under our table sa stainless, so we have to do that also. So medyo kapoy sad siya. Kami ang manilhig, mangmap. Yeah, mo na yung naka-downside. Most of to akong na-shock kasi I thought like, oh, I'm in a very high-end school, so like I expect na everything's like handed down to me. Igo na lang ko mag-bake, but you know, let's just be positive and then like let's just be positive and lang, look at the bright side. Like na-train sad ka, ma-motivate sad ka nga. Dili ko maghugaw-hugaw karon. Dapat unsa ko hugaw-hugasan din ako kay para inigdayon uli kay dali ra kay mi mahuman. Cause when we're finished cleaning, we can go home naman. So like ang among batch is like we're really motivated to stay clean all the time because if hugawan kay me, then dili dayon mi kakuan, dili dayon mi kauli kay mabisi man mi hugas, trapo, map, ano ba? So I think that's an upside to it, sad. Like that was also part of our training. Yeah, I guess maura na ang con sa based sa akong na experience on the first week of class, ha. Oh yeah, one more thing is you cannot picture, you cannot video, you cannot bring your phone jud sa kitchen. I think I mentioned that, but like on a deeper level, kay one of their first few batches daw, kay of course they're new, they're still learning pa sad ba, like what di ka kabaw nga unsay capable ang tao. So na daw tayo usa nga nag-video, concentrate kay siya video, wa siya naminaw. They made their own caramel. Wa man siya naminaw, kana busy man siya video. Pag butang niya sa cream sa caramel, ni buto bitaw na sa ihang naw. So, ever since ato di na to sila musugot og picture video or use their phones, bring your Apple Watch or whatever devices you have in the kitchen. So, we can only use our phones during the buffet, which is on Friday. So, ang buffet is basically everything you made the whole week. It's basically everything you made the whole week and more na imong ma-picture. So, for example, na kay like patashu nga kanang wala na serve on Friday, di na jud na siya makita and di jud ka picture. So, mao lang sad na ang downside. So, the moment everyone's been waiting for. How much does the Pastry Academy cost? Honestly, weird man ilahang kuan kay magdepend siya actually on unsa siya nga time ka mo enroll. Pero sa ako based sa ako I don't know if mo increase sila because of inflation or because of whoever's president or whatever, I don't know, but this is based sa ako lang this is based lang sa ako ang time. So I spent $14,750. Sakit kay siya sultion, pero mo na siya. It's $14,750. They don't do installments, they don't do student loans or whatsoever, so it has to be like straight up pay. Like once you get accepted, you are to deposit $2,000 and then 75 days prior to your class, you have to settle the full payment. So, mao na siya. Lodging, this is one of the lodging sa Pastry Academy. Na sila ay 3 kinds of houses. The other two is 10 to 15 minutes away from the academy. And the third one is 30 minutes away from the academy. So, medyo layo jud siya, pero ang nakaganahan ko ani is, it's really in a gated community. So, di kayo pa na musalig sa, you know, sa mga tao here. For all you know, they'll break in your home or whatsoever. I don't know, paranoid lang ko. So, I chose this because it's in a gated community. So, you have to like, put in your password para makasud ka sa community, whatsoever. So, ayun na. I just realized how messy I look, so I cleaned up a bit. Anyway, yeah, the lodging that I got the biggest room in this house because there's a reserved parking in the garage, and then I thought nga ingon man sila EV charging available. Ang katura de ay socket. So I thought makasave na ko sa akong EV charging because I also got an EV for our rental, and then malagi I thought nga free na ako ang pag-charge di ay kay wala ko charger. So that's what I thought nga akong benefits unta. So if I knew, I would have gotten a smaller room. But anyway, we deal with what they have. So una siya. I guess that's it for this video diary of mine. If you have any questions, just ask. Feel free to just like send me a direct message or like comment in this video, blah blah blah. You know the drill. See you. Bye.